Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is cash book. As we have already studied journal and we have discussed a major limitation of journal, that if the transactions are in huge quantity, the journal may become too bulky and it will not be feasible to find any information out of that. So in such cases we have to make separate books. Those are called subsidiary books, and cash book is one of that subsidiary book. Cash book का अगर मीनिंग की बात करें तो cash book is a book which records all the cash transactions that happen in a business. This book is used to record all the transaction related to cash receipts and cash payment. The number of cash transactions is quite large in every business, ठीक है ना, and it is quite unpredictable, unpractical and inconvenient to record all cash transaction in journal. क्योंकि इतने सारे कैश ट्रांजेक्शन दिन भर में अगर 100 सेल्स हुई तो विद इन अ मंथ देयर विल बी 3000 कैश ट्रांजेक्शंस that will only relate to sale. So it is necessary to maintain a separate book for cash transaction which is called cash book. ठीक है, it is a very popular book and which is maintained by all organizations. It is both a subsidiary book and a principal book. It is a subsidiary book because it is a book of original entry. Every transaction is recorded at दिस प्लेस. जर्नल में रिकॉर्ड करने की अलग से रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. बट ऑल्सो इट इज़ अ प्रिंसिपल बुक बिकॉज आपको इसके बाद लेजर में भी मेंटेन करने की रिक्वायरमेंट बिकॉज ऑल ट्रांजेक्शंस आर देयर एट वन सिंगल प्लेस ओनली. सो इट इज़ दैट बुक विच सर्व्स बोथ द पर्पस. इट इज़ अ सब्सिडरी बुक. इट मीन्स इट इज़ द ओरिजिनल बुक ऑफ एंट्री as well as it is a principal book or it is a ledger account as well. There are different kind of cash books that we have to prepare: single column, double column with cash and discount, bank and discount, cash at bank, and triple column. And then comes a petty cash book. In our syllabus we have to study a single column cash book, double column cash book with cash and bank column, and the petty cash book. So in today's video we will discuss about the single column cash book. Single column cash book will have a single column of amount on each side. Left one will be debit side and right one will be credit side. The format of single column cash book is simple. You will divide the whole page into two parts. Left side will be debit side and right side will be credit side. On both sides we have to make 5 columns. First be the date, where we will write the date of transaction. Next will be the particulars. On debit side it will show all the receipts, and on credit side will show all the payments. Voucher number will write down the voucher of that document that we are getting in support. LF will, as same as journal, it will record the page number of ledger, and amount will record the amount that we have either received or paid. So if we look at one question based on this format, illustration 1 states commence business with cash. Cash is coming into business, it will be recorded on debit side. Bought goods for cash. Cash is going out of business, it will be recorded on credit side. Sold goods for cash. Cash is coming into business, it will be recorded on debit side. Goods purchased from Ravi on credit. Now this is a credit transaction. This is a credit transaction and credit transactions are not recorded in cash book. अगर आपने कुछ कैश पे ख़रीदा है, कैश पे पे किया है, वो तो रिकॉर्ड किया जाएगा. बट अगर आपने कुछ उधार पे ख़रीदा है, उधार पे पे किया है, मतलब उधार पे बेचा है, तो दैट इज़ नॉट रिकॉर्ड. तो 10th पॉइंट विल बी इग्नोर्ड. देन पेड टू रवि, वी आर पेइंग कैश टू रवि. कैश इज गोइंग आउट ऑफ बिजनेस, पेमेंट हो रही है, इट विल बी रिकॉर्ड ऑन बाय साइड और क्रेडिट साइड. सेल्स, कैश सेल्स, कैश इज कमिंग इन टू बिजनेस, रिसिट्स है, इट विल बी रिकॉर्ड ऑन डेबिट साइड. परचेज फर्नीचर फॉर कैश, we are making payment, it will be recorded on credit side. Paid wages, again a payment, credit side. Paid rent, again a payment, it will again record on credit side. Received commission, cash is coming into business, it will be recorded on debit side of cash book. Withdrew for personal expenses, cash is going out of business, it will be recorded on credit side. Paid salary, again a payment, it will again be recorded on credit side. So this is just the basic information. Now let's have a look how it will be recorded in the actual cash book. First we will divide the page into two parts. Left will be debit side, right will be credit side. On the top we will write in the books of dash cash book. Now all those transactions in which we were receiving money will be written down on left side, that is on debit side, with the prefix to, with every transaction we write to capital account, to sales account, to commission account. We will clearly mention how much amount we are receiving, and with every transaction, with every account, we will write to on the debit side, and similarly on credit side we will write by. On debit side we will write to, and on credit side we will write by. Then after this both sides will be total. डेबिट साइड का टोटल आएगा 32,600 एंड ऑन क्रेडिट साइड इज 20,680. सर वी हैव टू मेक श्योर कि दोनों साइड का टोटल इक्वल रहे. अब इक्वल करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी विल हैव टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस, एंड द डिफरेंस हियर इज 11,920 विच विल बी रिटन डाउन एज बैलेंस. ऑन क्रेडिट साइड वी विल राइट बाय बैलेंस क्रेडिट डाउन 11,920. दैट मीन्स इतना कैश बचा है, and it will be brought down on the debit side in next month. To balance brought down 11,920. Always keep one thing in mind: cash book will always have a debit balance. Debit balance means the total of debit side of cash book, cash column, that will always be more than the credit side. This is because always the receipts will be in excess of the payments. It is not possible to pay more cash than what you actually have. It can either be equal, or the debit side will always exceed the credit side. There can be no situation when in single column cash book or in cash column of cash book the credit side will exceed the debit side, because we cannot pay more than what we actually have. So this was the first question based on cash book, single column cash book. In the next video, we will start with another topic, that is double column cash book. Till then, take care and have a great day.